There are some things that just go together. Peanut butter and jelly, pizza and beer, Ariana Grande and high ponies. But are you ready to add mushrooms and chocolate to the list? Okay, that may sound kind of odd, but someone had to be the first person to put nuts in chocolate, and without that hero, we wouldn't have Snickers. Plus, it's not just chocolate, mushroom coffee is getting trendy too. Pinterest has seen a 471% rise in searches for mushroom coffee year over year. Taste-wise, USA Today cites Stephanie Simbari, co-host of the podcast That's So Retrograde, who said it's less harsh than regular coffee with a yummy nutty flavor. Natural grocers suggesting mushrooms boost the immune system and are good for your brain, liver, and respiratory health. So the company is getting in on the action, selling a reishi chocolate elixir, which is drinkable dark chocolate with a mushroom upgrade, as well as a mushroom powdered reishi cold brew. So, are you open to trying mushroom coffee and chocolate this year? Or are you not a fun guy?